Good day everyone, especially to you sir. So by the way, my name is Bunghani Shinemi from Baintik Power Plant 2F. So, I'm living in Barangay San Joaquin, Palumpon, Leyte. There are questions that gonna be response or answer. So questions. Should divorce law be enacted in Philippines? Explain your answers. So this is my answer. So I am a favor of passing the law about divorce because we cannot force two couple to stay together when the love between them is already gone. So if they are forced to stay together, it will only lead to constant fights, and there may even come a point where they become physically violent. So, however, this is what I can say to those who plan to build their own family. Both of you should truly love each other and be committed to staying together for a life. If you are someday blessed with a children's, they will surely not experience in the end the pain of having a broken family. So this is my answers.